Okay, I made it look like them as much as I could. So, hey guys, I just thought I'd take a sneak peek of this puppet for Leon, the Dr. Pepper fan Roblox. All I gotta do is put his feet on, and I gotta make the teddy bear that goes with him yet still. And he's really small. In fact, this is the smallest puppet I've ever made so far. He's even smaller than Timmy. In fact, let me get Timmy. I'll show you. Look at the difference. Yeah, he's cute though. I just thought I'd share that news with you, Leon, the Dr. Pepper fan Roblox. Yep. And I got other body patterns set for the other puppets I'm going to make for you guys too yet. So, yeah, I've been on him all day long. Yeah, he's been taking me all day. Yep. So, alright. Catch you guys again later.